Hello everyone, Enzo here with Porcelain Paver Hardscape. Just wanted to show you guys our latest project here in Tampa. This is a 2cm Calacatta Porcelain Paver. For those who don't know, Porcelain Pavers have a few key differences from your regular brick pavers out there. These are maintenance free. What that means is that homeowner will not need to hire companies to come down here every year to seal this whole thing up. So it really ends up being a better investment on the long run. And these are also a very non-porous paver, which protects from mold, moss, and mildew. And we're pretty satisfied here with the results, and so is the homeowner. As you can see, it's a lifelong install and very easy to take care. And in between the joints, we applied a polymeric sand. So what that does, it'll prevent weeds or grass to come out from underneath the paver and preserve even further this install. If you want to learn more about our work, please visit us at porcelainpaverhardscape.com or give me a call at 941-900-7058 and I'll be happy to chat with you. Thank you.